Welcome to this AutoCAD tutorial in which we will be making the 2D drawing of this open spanner. So let's begin. First select this new so that a new file can be opened and write UN and click enter in order to specify the units. In decimals specify here 0 and in units specify millimeter and then click OK. Using your keyboard write C and click enter and make a circle here of diameter 16 and then write C again and click enter. And how you can find this center, let me show you. Go to this option and here you should select this center option. Okay, so this will enable you to specify a center here. So make a center here again of diameter 13. Now type L and then click enter, and here you should select this orthogonal command, and from this center to here make a 100 line. Press escape button, type C, click enter. In order to make a circle here, we will be making a 15 circle, and then type C and then hit enter and make a circle of 9 here again. Now in order to make the offset, type O and then click enter and type here 5.5. Select this line to upward and downward, make two lines like this, and now select this line and press the delete key. And now we have to fill it this, so type F and then click enter and then type R and then click enter. Specify 47 as radius. So select this line and up to this circle, make a fillet, hit the space button in order to repeat the command, and repeat these commands like this. Hit space button and I have make these fillets. So now type L and then click enter, make a straight line like this, and then type O for offset and specify 17. Make an offset line like this. Let me pan it here, and now type L in order to make a line, then hit enter, make a line from here to here, and now uncheck this orthogonal command. Now type RO to rotate and click enter. Select these three lines and hit enter, and now offset this a little bit like this and specify here 17 and then click enter. Now we have to move these lines. For that, write M and then hit enter. Select these three lines, hit enter and drag this to this center. Okay, we have to do this for the other circle as well. So type L and make a straight line here, and similarly we will be making the offset. Here we have to make an offset of 13. Select this line and the offset will be created. Now make a line from here to here. L is the command for the line, and now we have to rotate this. For that, specify RO and select these three lines one by one, hit enter, and we have to rotate it. So we have to uncheck this orthogonal command, and now type here 17 degree. Okay, and now we have to move this. For that, type M and then hit enter. Select these three lines one by one, hit enter, and move this from here to this center. And now we have to extend these lines. For that, type EX and then hit enter. Select this line, select this line, similarly this line and this line. Now we have to move For that, type M and then hit enter. Select this circle and press the enter button. Now drag this circle from this point to this point, and similarly uh, just press the space button in order to repeat the command. Select this circle and move this circle from this point to this point. And now we only need to trim the entities. For that, type TR and then hit enter and trim these extra lines like this. One by one, trim all these lines, and similarly trim these extra lines. One by one, you have to trim all of these lines. And here you can see the 2D drawing of spanner has been created. So if you find this tutorial helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.